I think I have everything, so let's head out. Oh, my mask.
Stuff like that.
Hi, lady, y'all.
Everybody.
Hi.
She ain't the type to be depressed. She just wants somebody to keep to the mic, kind of wish nobody ain't here yet.
Queen bee, want no smoke with me, but I'm classy, rich, but I'm ratchet. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage, yeah.
Is it recording? Hi guys, what's good? What's poppin'? I know the quality probably sucks right now because I'm vlogging on my phone, but hi you guys. If it look like I just woke up from a nap, it's because I did. But yeah, y'all, I thought that I should vlog for today because I have been giving y'all a lot of makeup and hair videos, and I know y'all are probably tired of them. Y'all probably want something different, right? Right, that's what I'm thinking. So today I got a couple of errands to run, so we might as well vlog or whatever because the fuck. Also, it's Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth, everyone. Okay, period. Poo. We do not celebrate 4th of July. Today is the day for celebration. But before we get into that, like I said, I got some errands to run, so I'm probably just going to take y'all along with me. So let me tell y'all what I gotta do. Okay, first off, I have been BSing about getting this P.O. box, and I really need to stop doing that. So that's what I'm doing first off, okay? My postal service office, postal office, whatever the fuck you want to call it, is right around the corner from me. So literally, so I don't lose my parking spot, I'm just going to walk around there, and already signed all of the paperwork and whatnot, but that is sitting in my car, so I still have to get into my car before I go. Fiddlesticks. I'm so tired of wearing masks. Like, my mask don't always coordinate with my outfit, and they be throwing me left. But so yeah, first things first, I have to get a P.O. box. Secondly, I think I may have to pick my mom up from the train station. If so, I'm gonna lose my parking spot, but it's okay because we have to go some places today. Together today. I have to go get my dad. I have to get my dad a Father's Day present. I know, terrible daughter, doing things very last minute. But listen, I didn't know what to get the man, but now I finally figured it out. So we have to go to the Tangler outlets, which is not too far from my house either, because those stores are open. You know, outside outlet malls are open right now. So I'm gonna go there. I need to stop in Boss, and then I need to go to a CVS. And I may or may not, I need to do a wig today. Like, I washed a wig that's being sold on my Depop. I need to blow dry and style the wig, and I may or may not go protesting tonight with my friends. If so, I should put my braid back in my head. If so, shouldn't I? I don't know, we'll see. But I may go protesting with my friends, or I may go out with my friends. I don't know, girl. We gonna see where the day takes us, okay? But I'm about to get ready to leave out right now because y'all been blowing me up about what I'm selling on these Depops, on my Depop. So I need to get this stuff in order for you guys, okay? I think I have everything, so let's head out. Oh, my mask. My mask. I need that. Okay. Now we ready to go. I'm so tired of wearing this freaking mask. Doesn't make any sense. Jesus. Is it about to rain? Oh my gosh. Jesus. Anyways, let me tell you guys. Oh my god, it's so hot in my car. Bitch, I can't talk on this with this mask. My hair looks fugly, but I'm gonna redo it. But let me tell y'all a quick story time. So while today I'm going to work, I went to work today from 9 to 12. How disrespectful for me to work on Juneteenth. I know, should be against the freaking law. But right now I'm getting these papers that I need for my P.O. box. I already signed it. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh wait, there's one more that I need. But you guys, today it's gonna stay up for me. Today, while my freaking Uber driver drove off with my AirPod case still in his car, y'all, I was about to cry. Because what's the point of having AirPods if you can't charge them? Like, what? So I tracked that man down. He was not trying to answer the phone. I tracked that man down. Okay, honey. And is this number 1 or number 2? Why are these pages listed? I tracked that man down because I needed my freaking stuff. He was not trying to do it. The whole entire time I was at work, I'm like, sir, can you just bring me back my stuff to the location you just dropped me off at? He's like, I'll bring them to your home. That was creepy, but I needed him to bring me my stuff. But he took so freaking long. Y'all. Try to steal my case. But yeah, y'all. I think I got everything I need for this P.O. box. Oh my god. I need to get a little handheld thing. So my phone don't keep dropping, but I have everything I need for my P.O. box. So I'm probably gonna pick this back up when I get in the post office. We'll see. I hope it's an easy process because nobody got time for it. Okay? So yeah. Just like that, we're here. Hello. I'm here to apply for a P.O. box.
You pick up mail?
No, to apply to open up a P.O. box.
Okay. You have application open it?
Mm-hmm.
You order online already?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, you get the question offer. That's nice. 6 months.
6 months?
103.
Okay, is that the largest?
Is that what it is?
We got it. And I didn't even know these boxes was free. It's lit. It's litty. It's litty. Hey. You gonna put it in my parking spot? Okay. Put it in the pocket. Let me go get some water. I'm tired.
Stuff like that.
I made it, y'all.
Everybody.
Hello. I ain't killers.
See, we already saw the first person with no damn mask on. I know we're gonna make
We
this.
gonna see more. Look. Bye, 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 bye.
We're gonna make this fast. People out here trying to kill me.
Alright, y'all. Now we gotta find a boss store. I feel like I remember it was a store that was on the left, but who knows? They could have changed it.
I ain't changing, but that's why I said I don't know which direction to come from.
Oh. I hope it don't rain on us. It's one thing about outlets. You'll get stuck in the weather. Balls. Yeah. Looky there, parked in the perfect spot.
Right on.
I need my braided pony. I feel ugly.
My head done.
Yeah. You wash it and they slick nothing down last night. You came out the room and said, look at here. Walking and hop them crunches. Due to health, doors locked. Wait outside.
That's how you gotta do it.
Hello, this is crazy. Regular shirts and cologne and a shirt. He likes it. That smells good.
Do you need a good for seat?
Yes, please. Just in case he a little picky.
You and your daughter. Your gift receipt and your regular receipt will be in this bag, okay?
Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You too.
Let me not get caught
copyrighted, you guys. Okay, so I did everything I was supposed to do. Okay, I'm sorry that I wasn't updating y'all, but I got my dad's Father's Day gift. Look at my hair. I look dusty, okay? And I got his card. It's so nice and sentimental. It says everything that I want to say. It says exactly how I feel about my dad. We love it. And my mama in the liquor store right now gave me some wine. So I could drink some wine and relax because it's Friday's Juneteenth. Okay, period. I guess I'm gonna go in here and do some hair. So I'll probably just show y'all what I'm doing and let some music play because it's really nothing to it. I'm just gonna blow dry and style her. FYI, follow my Depop right now, okay? I'm gonna put it right here. I'm about to drop gems, straight gems. Okay, do y'all see my eye color in this sunlight? Okay, period. But follow my Depop at life_of_Jaterra. I will be selling shoes, okay? I will be selling clothes, things I've worn only once or twice. Maybe some things still have tags on them because I've never worn them before. Why is this man staring at me? So make sure you follow me. Oh, and I'm selling all my wigs. Any wig I've ever worn before, I really sell. What is going on right now? People don't have ways to like celebrate regularly. So look at what they're doing. Look at what they're doing. For Father's Day. Oh, that's so cute. This is so cute. I'm weak. They all got balloons and stuff. I'm dead for Father's Day. Okay, dead. Okay, cause period. But y'all kind of inspired my video. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this up later because it's a little too much out here. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Okay. Okay, hey y'all, so it's a new day. It's a couple of days later, sis. I don't remember what I said I was gonna do in the last clip, but that didn't happen. I think the last thing y'all saw me do was buy gifts for Father's Day. So after that, Father's Day has come, it has gone. I went to see my dad in person. I surprised him. He loved his gifts. So is this focused? Is this on me, baby? Yeah, so my dad loved his gifts. I went and popped up on him. It was a really good time seeing him. And now it's another day. And I was like, I think I went in the creases because I was focused on getting my Depop together. That's what happened. So I didn't want to film any of that because I don't know. I feel like maybe I should do a Depop video as a separate video. So comment down below if you would like to see how I do my Depop. If you haven't followed my Depop, what are you doing? Follow your girl and you can shop with me. Right now I'm about to put on another wig so I can advertise that. Hold on, I need to get a wig cap. I forgot I got these. Hold on. So yeah, right now what you see me doing is I'm about to try to do the quickest method possible in terms of putting this wig on, because I literally only have to put this wig on to advertise it for my Depop. I got my first sale today. I got my first Depop sale today. Shout out to Anna or Anna. I think it's Anna. I don't know how to pronounce it, but if I had to pick one, I think it would be Anna, and I hope that's the right pronunciation. But Anna from Cali shopped with me today. I just finished packing up her package and I was so excited. Like, I was so geeked. I did it in front of my whole family in the living room. Got her package situated in front of everybody because I'm really excited to be doing this. Like, this is fun. So I'm about to put this auburn orangey brownie. It's giving, what's that character? What's her name? She's a little, I think she's a little a bunny or something, girl. I don't know. Jessica Rabbit, is that what it's giving? No, she wear red hair and purple dress. Whatever character I'm thinking about, I'm gonna put it on the screen because that's what it gave me. But right now I'm just about to put her on so I can take pictures for my Depop, because I think I think that you can sell hair easier when the people can see it on you. And I don't remember taking too many pictures with this wig, and it was in a side part. I wanted to be in a middle part, you know, so I could show the variety. So I'm about to like speed the process up. I feel like I'm talking too much, so I'm also not recording this as it's like on video, because I'm not doing the glue method that I usually do, and I'm not doing the cap method. I'm just putting this on so it can protect my hair. I'm gonna put some Got2b right here, hopefully. I never did that type of method, but hopefully I can put her on really quick, take some pictures, clean the lace off, restyle her, freshen her up, and get her together for packaging. So I'm gonna let y'all see that, and I'm gonna like speed through my makeup process, and we are going to get this thing rolling. Okay. She ain't the type that be depressed. She just wants somebody to continue to the mind, kind of wish nobody ain't here yet. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, I'm done with my makeup and my hair. I think it came out really, really cute. I'm loving this color on me, and I'm kind of sick that I'm about to sell it. But it's okay. Make sure you follow my Depop. I'm about to go and take some pictures, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna do. But we're gonna continue this vlog, or I'll come back and wrap it up, depending. I don't even know how long it is, but we'll see. We'll see, honey. We'll see. So I'll see y'all in a minute.
I know that more than times they've been talking about the way I do it, why I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one, I wanna be with you.